What's going on, everybody? Old school Rockford Fosgate here. Got a small unboxing today. I'm going to open this up real quick. I always tell you guys, always ask people, like whenever you buy something that's like older, ask them and say, hey, you guys got anything else? This is one of those times where I did that, and the guy's like, yeah, I got some stuff. So I asked him, give me a list of stuff you got. And what does he do? He doesn't give me a list of stuff. He starts listing the stuff on eBay. Really bad pack job. Bubble wrap box is too small. If I could even get this out. Yeah, box is too small for this thing. Dented up and dinged up over here on the sides. Get this zoomed in here. This is all broken in the back here. This is screwed up. This wasn't like that. Anyway, quick unboxing video. I'm probably going to leave this guy some neutral feedback. I have not a three-way. I have a four-way, but not a two-way. So that's why I ended up buying this. Same seller also had the ground block that was, I think, smaller than this. But not the other one like what I have in some other videos. But anyway, quick unboxing video. This is a RP 7070 is the model number. And yeah, kind of sucks about that condition. Looked like it was in really good shape, but yeah. Air bladders don't do anything. I mean, they protect like the top, but not really the bottom, or not the bottom, not the sides, especially whenever you go to put something that doesn't fit in the box. You have to, yeah, so. Anyway, quick video. Have a good one, guys.